we are not only focusing on the what you call the e-resources per se. We are also talking about the tools and techniques which are otherwise useful in general day-to-day learning. So information as a resource is being captured, and I think that this is going to be the uniqueness of this particular program. And one more thing we are what I can say proposing is that those who cannot attend this course online live on the scheduled time, there has to be a facility of asynchronous learning through maybe a LMS called Google Classroom, wherein those who missed it for some day, because this is a long program and there is quite a possibility that resources are not available for one individual to attend it live, the facility of recorded lectures should be made available, and that is our earnest request to all the organizing team to make the second versions available. So those who miss it, those who cannot do it on the time of live lecture, they will be able to do it. So I wish every success to this program. I have special thanks to Gandhi sir to allow us to take up this course and not charging anything. And that was the uniqueness of this program. We wanted to reach out to that class who cannot afford it, right? So with that thing in mind, I welcome all and I congratulate all for on this platform. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Definitely this digital platform has made education accessible for all, and that is the effort behind this certificate course also, to keep it open for the teaching fraternity as well as the students, and to have it free of cost and open for all. Thank you once again. Now I request the course coordinator, Dr. Aparna Chaudhary, librarian from SB Mahila Mahavidyalaya, to share the major features of this online course, throwing light on the theme of the course. Over to you, Chaudhary madam.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. Subhash Chaudhary, Principal SBCT College Dr. Sujit Maitre sir, officiating
बिंजाणी महिला महाविद्यालय
श्रीमती दीपश
श्री पाटिल मैडम
श्रीमती दीपश्री पाटिल मैडम,
कन्वीनर्स PGTD head of the Department of Library and Information Dr. Nikhil Singh, and librarian SBCT College Dr.
Mohini Bherwani,
participants and faculty members of three collaborating institutions. I welcome our today's resource person, Dr. Yogesh Patel from Pune. I take this opportunity to inform this online gathering about the concept and organizing this certificate course, application of
open access e-resources.
As per the guidelines of the NAC and as per the requirement of Jeevan Shikshan Abhiyan, we need to organize short-term courses for the benefits of students. Pandemic has brought the education on mobile phones and laptops,
and it has become a necessity to learn about
e-resources and e-courses.
advances in information and communication technologies. ICT have affected in the extensive, obtainable, accessible, and efficient distribution of information resources. In the fast cultivating and ever increasing information explosion, it is extremely complicated to retrieve precise information without squandering time. The internet has turned into an information superhighway, including all kinds of information resources such as books, theses, dissertations, journals, magazines, records, and manuscripts. With the advent of information technology and e-publishing access to information on local, regional, national, and international basis by defeating the conventional obstacle of time and space has become so easy. The electronic resources are systems in which information is stored electronically and made accessible through electronic system and computer networks. The fundamental term of open access is the electronic accessibility to scholarly literature for users at free of cost and without any technical obstacles. Growths in information and communication technologies, ICTs, have been cited as between the key features that have catalyzed the appearance of open access. Advances in computer applications during the past few decades have brought radical changes in the way information is gathered, stored, organized, accessed, retrieved, and consumed. The application of computers in information processing has brought several products and services. The internet and the web are constantly influencing the development of new modes of scholarly communication. Their potential for delivering goods is quite vast, as the way it overcomes successfully the geographical limitations associated with the print media. Further, the distribution time between product publication and its delivery has been drastically reduced. The internet can be used for efficient retrieval and meeting information needs. This is very important for university libraries since most of them call for more and more research work. This important fact is convincing many libraries to move towards digital e-resources, which are found to be less expensive and more useful for easy access. This is especially helpful to distant learners who have limited time to access the libraries from outside by dial-up access to commonly available electronic resources, mainly databases, OPACs, and internet, which are replacing the print media. Libraries have witnessed a great metamorphosis in recent years, both in their collection, development, and in their service structure. Print medium is increasingly giving way to the electronic form of materials. Objectives of the certificate course are to know the different types of electronic resources and services, and to get to know about various information portals or gateway available for student community, to understand how to resolve the difficulties faced by the teachers and research scholars while accessing and using the electronic resources, to learn the impact of electronic resources and services on the academic work of the teachers and research scholars. Scope of this course is for the students residing in remote areas. Physical libraries and learning material is not available. So it has become our duty to provide the learning material to such students through e-medias. Previously, students were coming to library, and now library is reaching to their doorstep through e-resources. I hope that this course will be beneficial to our students as well as teaching fraternity. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. It was an elaborate deliberation which has encapsulated all the details of the online course. Thank you once again. Honorable Vice Chancellor of RTM Nagpur University, Dr. Subhash Chaudhary sir, due to some unavoidable reasons has not yet joined, but he will join soon. So we are moving forward towards the presidential remarks. The president of Nagpur Shikshan Mandal, Shri A.K. Gandhi, had given his consent to be the president of this inaugural ceremony. But due to some unavoidable reasons, he is unable to attend this function. He is a renowned personality from the realm of entrepreneurs of the Orange City. He is an empire himself, a hub of inspiring energy. He has sent his good wishes in a message. I read this message on his behalf. It's a matter of great pride for Nagpur Shikshan Mandal that two of its institutions, namely Srimati Binzani Mahila Mahavidyalaya and Shri Binzani City College, have taken lead to organize an innovative online course on application of open access e-resources in collaboration of Postgraduate Department of Library and Information Science of RTM Nagpur University. The challenges put forth by the pandemic before the teaching learning process has paved way for exploration of such newer ways and methods of digital learning. I congratulate and am confident that attending this course will be an enriching and fruitful experience for all the participants. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir, for your all good wishes. And moving forward with the program, I now request the librarian of SBCT College, Nagpur, Dr. Mohini Bherwani, to propose formal vote of thanks. But the dear participants, please take note of it. As soon as the Vice Chancellor will join, we will have the chief guest address by him. Over to you, Bherwani Madam.
Thank you, ma'am. A very good morning to all. Respected dignitaries, Honorable Dr. Subhash Chaudhary, sir, Vice Chancellor, Rashtrasant Tukolji Maharaj, Nagpur University, Honorable Shri Ashokji Gandhi, sir, President Nagpur Shikshan Mandal, Mrs. Deepashri Patil, ma'am, Principal Srimati Binzani Mahila Mahavidyalaya, Dr. Sujit Maitre, sir, Principal Shri Binzani City College, Dr. Satya Prakash Nikosi, sir, Head of the Department of Library Information Science, Rashtrasant Tukolji Maharaj, Nagpur University, Dr. Aparna Chaudhary, madam, co-convener of this program, all the participants, my fellow colleagues and dear students. Here, I take this privilege to propose vote of thanks in the inaugural program of 30-day certificate course in application of open access e-resources, jointly organized by SBCT College, Nagpur and Srimati Binzani Mahila Mahavidyalaya, Nagpur, in collaboration with Postgraduate Teaching Department of Library Information Science, Rashtrasant Tukolji Maharaj, Nagpur University. Here, I express my deep sense of gratitude to our chief guest, Honorable Dr. Subhash Chaudhary, sir, for accepting our invitation and taking time. He would join us soon and taking time out of his busy schedule to inaugurate the certificate course. I also thank him for permitting us to collaborate with the university department. I express my gratitude to our Honorable Registrar, sir, Dr. Raju Hirse, Rashtrasant Tukolji Maharaj, Nagpur University, for permitting us to use department name and university logo for our program. I express my profound gratitude to our President, Shri Ashokji Gandhi, sir, for spreading the fragrance of grace by sending the message. I express my sincere thanks to principals of both the colleges, Shri Binzani City College and Srimati Binzani Mahila Mahavidyalaya, Dr. Sujit Maitre, sir, and Deepashri Patil, madam, who motivated and guided us to organize this course. I am thankful to Dr. Satya Prakash Nikosi, sir, to collaborate with us for this course. And I am highly indebted to departmental teachers, Dr. Mangala Hidwade, madam, and Dr. Shalini Hikar, ma'am, for providing intellectual support. I express my appreciation to Dr. Aparna Chaudhary, madam, who is the co-convener of the certificate course, who took initiative and having been planning and managing sources for this course. I am also grateful to all the resource persons who would contribute in these 21 days, all the teachers and students who have joined this course, and I expect support and cooperation from all of them. With this, I declare that the inauguration program is concluded and we will move towards the lecture of first day. Good morning once again. After the inaugural ceremony, let's move towards our main program. As told earlier, we will have 15 lectures, each of 2 hours. The first 1 hour will be theory based. In other half hour, we will take the practical, and in the last half an hour, we will take the evaluatory test. This will be MCQ based test, and on this basis of the score you get, you will be provided the grade. So students, listen each lecture carefully and note down the important points. The topic of our first lecture is analyst databases. And for the presenting this topic, we have Mr. Yogesh Mate with us. Sir is working as librarian at St. Vincent College, Pune. Sir has 12 years of experience. He has written 9 research articles published in various journals. He is the coordinator of e-content repository at Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune since March 2019. He is also the coordinator of faculty development programs on e-content development. He has delivered 16 lectures at university orientation and refresher programs. He has delivered lectures to more than 25 colleges in e-content development and library services. He has worked as coordinator for faculty development program on creation, preservation, and dissemination of e-content at UGC HRDC at Savitribai Phule Pune University for a short period. He is also the secretary of Maharashtra University and College Library Association of Savitribai Phule Pune University Sectional Council. Sir, I request you to proceed with your lecture.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Clear?
Yes,
My voice is clear?
yes, sir.
Okay. Will you please make me a co-host that I can share my screen to all people?
So I have already made a post just in.
Yes, thank you. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir, I am ready with the post.
See, thank you very much for inviting me for this wonderful certificate program. I thank you. First of all, I thank you to Binjani Mahila Mahavidyalaya Nagpur, Shri Binjani City College, Nagpur, and Postgraduate Teaching Department of Library and Information Science, RTM Nagpur University. I also thank you to all course conveners, Dr. Aparna Chaudhary ma'am, Dr. Satya Prakash Nikose sir, Dr. Mohini Bermani ma'am. So, without taking any much time, am I audible clearly? No? Hello. My voice is
You
clear.
are loud and clear. आ रहा है आवाज आ रहा है
Yes, sir. Yes.
एकदम clear है ना? कोई issue
Yes,
नहीं.
yes.
ठीक है. Okay, so we'll start with the exact program. Before that, I will share my screen with you, and we'll start this program with a specific intention. So, see, any institutions which are working for the upliftment of a society, the aim of that institution is to make a human being and to find out or to withdraw some output from him. So the most important things or most the emphasis given by University Grant Commission or any institution on research. Okay, so the research is the most important part of any academic institution. So first of all, I will share. Okay. So I am sharing my screen with you. Okay, screen. Okay, now before starting the Enlist program, so my today's topic for discussion is Enlist. This is the treasury given to a specific institution. ये जो Enlist है, so the organizers told me to discuss all this issue in English and in Hindi. So I will be bilingual. In a case someone doesn't understand, so they can ask in Marathi also, no issues. Okay. So before starting the Enlist program and how to use it, how useful it is for the research and all type of studies. So this is the big treasury, I can say. बड़ा साठा है संपत्ति का, मैं बोल सकता हूँ. बड़ी ट्रेजरी है जिसमें से हम बहुत सारी इंफॉर्मेशन ले सकते हैं. So first of all, I will show you one very important website before starting the Enlist. Before shifting to the Enlist, I am showing you this most important website. That is a Schemago ranking website. So before that, I'll come here to a country ranking. I'm not talking about the journal ranking. Journal ranking, we can see what the research, what type of research is going on. But see the ranking here. So what I have to show you here is that what I have to show you here, see the ranking of our country, India. Before that, please just see this documents, okay? Documents, citable documents, citations, self-citations, citations per document, and H index. Okay, you may easily observe here, okay? So you may easily observe here the documents, the number of documents which we are publishing are much more. Okay, so we are publishing so much document, huge number of documents we are publishing. Okay, so there is no issue of documents, but see, you can find out the citable documents. Okay, the citable documents, and here you can see the H index. You can find out Italy is publishing the number of documents less than us. Canada is publishing documents less than us, and Australia. But see the H index of those. Okay, and see our H index is 691 only. So you can find out more than that below, but you may find out here it is only a 691. See, what is this actually? What happens actually with us? See the citations per document, how much citations. Our documents are not getting much citations. So Indian documents not getting a much citation. So it is a 10.44. Why the reason behind to show this type of statistic is that, so the number of documents which we published we are publishing it for only the academic or for career advancement purposes. But the reason of this publishing these documents, we know that for this only the development of an institution to show the committees and everything. But so the real ranking which will decide on in a future on the citations or citable documents. So we have to be aware, and we have to produce the documents in a such a way that that those documents must be authentic. Nowadays, because of the open access resources or this type of facilities given by university grant commissions to the colleges, this become a very easy to publish research articles nowadays. Okay, so the data, huge treasury we are getting out of it, and we have to utilize it. Now in tomorrow's lectures, I am only delivering this session. I am going to show you some open access resources which are very much useful for the research. Although you don't have the N list, we know this N list is a subscribed base. Okay, so the colleges who are 12B, those are getting in only 5,900 rupees. The original cost of it is much. Okay, but see, this is the treasury which the colleges, some colleges are getting, and I will show you how to find out the articles out of it, how to find out the good quality articles out of it, how to download it. I will show it to you. Before that, please give emphasis on these things, that we have to have a quality research for future. Okay, we must have the quality research for the future, and our rank must be increased, not only in the case of document delivery, or I can say documents, publishing a document. This is rank for documents, but find out the H index and citations per document. So so this is the wonderful statistics which I had to show. But one thing I have to again show you, that we know that there are some bibliographic databases also. I'm going to show you in details tomorrow. I don't have the access of it, but you know that this is also open access. Today only I am going to show you some introduction. You know that the Scopus. This is a bibliographic data. I am coming to the end list. Don't forget, I'm going to show you each and everything. But see, here is for example, here is a Scopus. Here also, it is a bibliographic database listing of some journals. Okay, the journals, we know that if we publish any research article in a Scopus or Web of Science, then there is no need that article should be in a UGC care list. Okay, so the Scopus, why the Scopus is, but here also I will show you tomorrow. Tomorrow morning I am going to show you that how does Scopus having open access journals, and you can publish in that also. Although you don't have the subscription of the Scopus. Although here I am going to show you why I am showing you, because we know that this is the ranking. This is a bibliographic databases containing the good quality research articles. Some of them are open access, some of them are closed access, means subscribed base. Now we know that another one is the Web of Science. This is also here also. On this also you can find out the good quality journals which are also open access. Open access means what? Free of cost available. Okay, so here also you can find out some good quality on this website also, and so good quality research articles or research journals on this of your specific subject. So this is I'm not going to show you. Today is the topic of EnList only, so I'm giving the emphasis on EnList. But tomorrow I'll definitely show you the how to find out the Scopus journals, the open access Scopus journal, how to download the article from them, and also I'm going to show you the journals, the open access journals on Web of Science, and how to download those journals article. Okay, so today so for time being I'm shutting it down. Then here I will come to the important aspect of EnList. Okay, so you may find out there is a clear bifurcation. There is a clear bifurcation of books, ebooks, and journals. So right hand side you may observe the ebooks, and here at the left hand side you may observe this e-journals, full text e-journal, and step by step according to subject wise I'm going to show you how to download those articles and use it for. So now anyone will ask me the question that how to take this EnList, how to go, is it free of cost? No, it is the database which is subscribed by libraries. Okay, so many libraries having a good status to F12B. Some of the private institutions also subscribing this by paying higher charges. But so most of the colleges having this EnList database, and now the NAC is also making it compulsory to take EnFilm resources. Okay, so these are the resources which we are going to see. So that now we'll see the first resource, that is American Institute of Physics. Okay, if you help me to tell any subject, any journal of any topic, if you unmute yourselves and tell me any subject, before that I will take some subject which I have been observed on the Binzani College. So I will take some anthropology, psychology, philosophy subjects, and then if anyone wants to find out the subjects of your choice, you can tell me. I will find out in a different resources. Okay, so now I will come to the first, that is annual review. Okay, American Physical Institute. We can this is a physics topic, but I will take this one, annual reviews. For example, some colleges having those subjects, so I will take. I'm not taking the science first. If you want this physics also, I will show you all the journals included in this database. Okay, so how to go now? How you will find out? How will get this user ID and password which I got? See, you may find out this user login and password. See the students. Students, you have to take this user ID and password from your librarian. Okay, so whoever is the coordinator for this EnList, you have to take this. You have to submit your email ID to them, your mobile number to them, your designation. If you are a teacher, you may provide your name as a professor or as a student. So what will happen? They will say they will add your name on this database. You will get you will get an email from the EnList, and you can start your access. You have to just activate. You have to just activate the account on this, and you can start. So now you will get a user ID password like this, and then you can easily access any resources from this database. This is the first thing. Now I'm going ahead. Here you can find out the annual review. I just right click here and open in a new tab. Okay, so I opened this one. Now again you have to put your user ID and password here. You may log in, and here they are taking a member user consent. They are taking our consent whether you want to you have to accept the consent if you want to use this one. Okay, so it directly goes by default, okay, to the server, their annual review server, and through this enlist annual reviews. If you as it is access this annual review online, you will not get access. If you are going through enlist, so easily you will get access. Okay, so you can find out here journal A to Z, journal information, pricing. So if there are professors, you can also publish. These are good peer-reviewed journals available, and you can also publish your research article on the journals. Okay, so you may find out the journals A to Z. I'm directly going to this. Here are some subjects which I have seen on the website of a college. So political science, psychology. Okay, so I'll go to this subject. You can go to any subject and can find out the journal articles. Okay, so now psychology, I'm talking about the political science. Okay, I will go to the political science. I have just right click here and annual reviews of political science I have opened. Okay, so you can find out here. See the how to find out the quality journals. So find out its impact factor. Okay, you know the impact factor. What is the index and impact factor? Okay, so the most of the library science people or so many professors knows what is impact factor. Nowadays, this impact factor decides what it decides the quality of the journal. Okay, published since 1998. Okay, so you can find out here also volume 24, May 21. Okay, now we'll find out some article, or we can just you can go to the table of content. Okay, and you see the earlier one. Okay, now you can go to archive and find out also. So this is the latest one. This is volume 24, 21. This is 2021. Okay, so it has been published in a May. Right now, how to download it? So here is an option. There is a download PDF option. You can read it as a full text HTML also. So here is the option we have, that is a download PDF, and you can download anyone. So randomly I can download this. Okay, so you may find out the PDF. Okay, I think it is visible to you. Okay, pencil and presidential unilateral. This is an article of 25 pages, and it is directly downloaded. You may find out here at the right hand side. Here I have just highlighted here at the left hand side. Sorry. So at what day and what time you have been downloaded it? It is see here. Just now I have downloaded it 10/6/21, and they have shown the time. Here they have shown the time. Okay, annual review political science. So it has been recorded from which IP address it has been taken, from which ID you have been logged in, from which college ID it was. So there not be this is only that so no one can use it as what I can say. We can say that there should not be any misuse of this journals, right? So they are given for the academic purpose for us only. So now here is the article which you got. Okay, so so you can see this, we can download it. Okay, so again I am going annual review only. So anyone I just show the political science. So you like that, you can find out the other subjects also. So many journals, good journals on the annual reviews are there. Okay, so I'm going again one. I will take a psychology. Okay, if there is a psychology people's there. So see this impact factor. It's a huge impact factor. See why I'm showing all these impact factors and all the journals to you, only because, right? So by looking all these research articles, by reading all these research articles, you may also try to write those types of articles. Okay, sometimes you may find a good research topic to develop yourself. There may be a students who are interested in psychology or philosophy. They can also go directly on these journals and can read the articles. If they understand something from those articles and they create an interest in that, so they can also develop their research aptitude. Once they develop their research aptitude, the sky is the limit to do a research in this field. Okay, so the 24.132, the impact factor. So you can find, so you can see that how much quality journal is this. So it is also a full text journal, and we can also download it. So this is the latest one. So I will find see this is the okay, sorry, this is the I will take a latest one. It is old one, 2012. Okay, now I will take a latest one. So table of content, I'll go to table of content, January 20, see you may find out January 2021. So this is the latest one. And here also some articles you may see here at the left hand side. Okay, so directly you may go here. So now you can download the article. You can see here the journal article. Okay, here are 31 pages journal. Here some all the records have been come from which IP address has been taken, and all those things are here. So my friends, here also it is which I have taken it. Just a minute. Psychology. Okay, so I have taken as psychology, and here also journal of psychology. Now I am going ahead a little bit, so you may take, see now here are so many journal: analytical chemistry journal, animal bioscience, anthropology, astronomy, astrophysics, biochemistry, and anyone you can go here, you will get a journals from annual review, and they have been given here. So it is a full text downloadable. Okay, so I'm stopping with the annual review. You may go and do trial and error methods, download it, try to download it. Okay, so I'm going ahead now. I will go to science also a little bit. I'll explore each and every resource to you, but there are some research search strategies. So each and every journal and database is not easy to use, and it is not a user savvy. So there must be some usability evaluation of it also. So it must be a user savvy. Now here I'm logging it again. I'm taking each and every journal is asking for the consent, because someone should not be misuse it, so that is asking the consent. So it is AIP. Okay, now you know that American Institute of Physics, that is AIP, American Institute of Physics. So these types of, if there someone is doing research in a physics, so there are number of journals are here. So all type of journals: AIP Advances, Conference Proceeding, Bioengineering, Material, Quantum Sciences, Biomicrofluidics, Biophysics, the Journal of Chemical Physics, and all those things. So anyone randomly you can take, and I am taking Journal of Renewable and Sustainable Energy. Randomly you can select anyone. You may have access to this one. Now here are some research article. You may find out it is September 2021, means it's the latest one, for example, and it's written. So you may right click it. If you want a full text, you can take a full text of it. Here is a PDF. Here is option PDF. So you may click on the PDF. So easily you will get the PDF and full text. Like this, you can take a n number of articles from this. See the 26 number page. So whole research has been explored in front of you. Okay, so you may use this one. Okay, so this is a full text research article. Now I have given you, so you may take any type of journal on from this listed, and once you take this at the right hand side, open it at any one, you can download any article. So what, and also you can go to this archives field also, means each journal is having also archive. So you can go to its archive and old issues also. Okay, so I'm not going there in the deep, but see, this is the most important thing which you can find out. The researcher of physics, for example, someone is doing good research in a physics, they can go with this database, that is American Institute of Physics. It is a huge paid one by a UGC, and highly paid one, and it has been given to encouragement of colleges research in physics. So this one. Now most important, and so many people have liked this this journal, that is Economic and Political Weekly. The research has been done, so much research in political science and economics. So many people are using and following this journal. And sometimes we are calling it as a journal, but clearly it was a magazine. Okay, so we have to advance it, go to proxy, because sometimes they are asking this time, so we have to go in advance, and they are asking for the proxy, because of this proxy implement, it's not going to the server. Okay, so now economics and Politicals Weekly having some problems with the server always, because it is the busiest site. So so many people are using, always reading these articles. Now see, now this implement program, Economics and Political Weekly, you may find out, if you go to the archive, you will find out the research article from 1949 to 1965. I saw that there is a political science department with us, and you may find out the old archives also, means 1940 for 1949 to 65 and 65 to 21. You may see this 1966 to 21, here also 1949, and each and every article that you can download. Okay, but why I'm showing all those archives to you? Why? Because the research never being started from initial zero. You have to first see what has been happened in this type of topic. For example, I have to do a research in insurance, okay, and insurance, and so this is the economic and political weekly, so it is related to economics, right? So now if you go to the, if you are to study the insurance, so you can find out the articles, what type of articles has been published in the economics and political weekly hourly basis. Okay, so you go to the historical one, you can find out from 1949 to the 2021 what type of has been research has been done in the insurance sector. So this is a very much good I can say the journal for the research purpose in economics and politics. Okay, so now I will go to the first. So these are the 1966 to 21. You can go to anyone. I'll go to the latest one. You can go to this latest volume, October volume. Now October is going on. This is the 2 October, latest one. So you can go to the issue. Okay, and you may find out these types of article. Okay, so you can see here so much articles.
Guest speech. Okay,
hello, someone is speaking. Please mute their mic. Kindly mute the mic. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to download the article from the Economic and Political Weekly. I'm going a little bit fast because we are lacking with the time. So here now your bank recapitalization, like that article is there, so you can go directly on this article, you can download it. Okay, so these are the special article. Okay, so you can also download this article. This is a full article. There is also PDF available. You can also find out the PDF of it. Okay, so you can download the PDF of it also, right? So this is the most important things which I have to show you, that these types of research article. I will show you the article from Economics and Political Weekly, as there are departments of political sciences. Okay, so the full article you are getting from the political science as well as so archives. I will show it to you. For example, on 1949 to 65, you can see whether we'll get it or not. Okay, I am clicking on archive from 1949 to 65. Okay, so we are getting some 1949. Since I will see one article, for example, we'll take this 1952. Okay, I will take any random issue. Okay, and I'll show to you the okay. Now this type of articles were there at that time. Okay, so in what is the year? It is 1952. Okay, so missing figures from bank returns. This article I am taking for the missing figures. Okay, now this will be open and you can see this article, and we can use this article. See, now here is the download PDF version. Okay, download PDF version, so you can also see the PDF of it. See, now this is from March 15, 1952, weekly notes regarding the bank. Someone is doing some, for example, someone is doing research in the banking. So any topic regarding this, if it is of his or her research, so he can find out the direct article he is getting. What type of word for the reference purposes? We know that we required always a literature review for a research, and once for that literature review, we can take these types of research articles. Okay, so this is the most important fact which you have to understand in the case of using the Economics and Political Weekly. So I'll go ahead now. I'll stop with the Economics and Political Weekly. So I showed you one article on archive, as well as I have shown one article on latest basis. So in between you can find out any research, or I can say any topic we have to find out, right? So I will go now to the Indian journals. So this is the most important thing. Now, what are these Indian journals? Has been cope up with journals published in India only. Okay, so they are not an international. So, but here are some subjects has been given to you. Okay, open access 43. Open access means if you go as it is on indianjournals.com, like that, indianjournals.com, if you go as it is, so you will find a 43 open access. Open access means freely available, freely downloadable. Okay, so these Indian journals also you can go. Now only I am showing you the open access. Tomorrow I am not going to. Okay, so now they are not given here. But here now you can find out the subject wise. Okay, we'll go a subject wise, and here you can find out whether it is open access or not. Okay, they are not listing there with the open access, but they are showing that it is 43. So we'll see whether these are there or not. Now you may find out the library and information science people, there are 15 journals, or those are peer-reviewed journals. So we may also send our research articles. The most important thing is that these are online. So what is the importance, or what I can say, what is the benefit of publishing online? Because we are getting a citation online, our H index may increased, right? So why it is useful? क्या useful है? Why ये क्यों है important? Because अपना H index जो है वो बढ़ सकता है, ठीक है? Okay, so published online. I will. So here are some journals. You may find out this red is non-subscribed, green is open access, and IJ means is blue is Indian journals subscribed, blue is subscribed, green is open access, and non-subscribed. So we can find out how much are open access or not. So we'll not find out any open access. Okay. Now in that, this is a UGC approved. I think this is in a UGC approved means this may be in a UGC care. Okay, I have not find out this one, but these types of journals are there in the library and information science, such that you may find out the so many subjects from agricultural, applied science, technology, biology, botany, business, economics and management, chemistry, civil engineering, and all those subjects which has been given. Okay, so here are some social sciences also. Okay, you may find out in the social sciences. There I'll see the journals list of in a social science. Browse the browsing subject of social science. Okay, now you may find out Asian Journal of Development Matters, multidimensional research in a social science and humanities. Okay, public administration, economics affairs, all those types of there. Okay, so these are the also journals. So there are some UGC approved journals, and these are some subscribed ones. So what I have to show you now in this Indian journals, how to download the article. Okay, so this is the most important fact, that how to go, sir. You may go anywhere from this one, and you can go to any subject. I showed you the path, but the most important thing is that how to download article. So our aim is to show you a downloadable article. So what I will take this one, this IAS, or Indian Journal of Economic and Development. I'll show you of economic development, Indian Journal of Economics and Development. So this is the current issue of it. Okay, current issue you may see here. Okay, you click on the current issue. Okay, now you are getting the current issue. You may go here at the left hand side, archive and issue also. So you will get the archives and issue of it also. Okay, so now 2012 to 221, you will get all type of journals. Okay, all types of articles, from backdated articles or archives. So okay, so January to March, the tenure is April to June, and July to September. Okay, so the total 4 issues published yearly. Now here are some archives, and now I will show you how to download it. Okay, so what I will take this issue, or directly I will go to the current issue. Okay, so archive you may go. Now this is the current issue which I have already opened. Now just right click on this one article, and you can find out the PDF. Okay, so here is the PDF, and you can download. You can store at your PC for your further research, any useful for your topic. But see here the date. Okay, so the date of download, you may find out. See date 7 October 2020. right? 7 October 2021, right? The year they have shown the IP address and all. Okay, so this may be. Now I will just close it down. You are getting the article. It is a 15-page article on the topic analysis of multidimensional poverty using fuzzy set approach, whatever the research topic it is, right? So this is the thing which I have to show you. Now this is regarding the Indian journals. Now how you will go here? Here it is the subject, 25 total subjects. There are so many open access. Only 25 subjects are in between. So many journals also there. The number is different for different one. Okay, so 50. Some of the journals are 50, 51 like that. So you may find out the different subject and go there to the Indian journals. Okay, someone is having a fear not to publish your article in a in a foreign one. You may publish here in the Indian also. Why? Because this is online. And what is the use of online? It helps to increase our H index. So this is the important things which I have to show you. Now I'll go ahead with the Indian journals I have shown you. Now Institute of Physics, it is also same, but before that, as a social science, I will show you the JSTOR. Okay, now earlier we know that JSTOR was university earlier it has UGC Infonet services. Universities had UGC Infonet services. Now we know that it is an InfluMnet information. Sorry, not InfluMnet. That eShodha Sindhu. Okay, so now it is also eShodha Sindhu is available on at university base, but we don't have any access at the colleges of those databases which are available for university. Okay, but what InfluMnet has done, this Enlist service has been given very keenly, and they have shown whatever databases or journals are useful for college purpose. So now I will show you the JSTOR. It is a tool which is very much important, and so many journals you will receive from this JSTOR. It's a journal storage. See, there are some journals now they are not available. The current issue is not available. They are archives, old journals, but still for the research purpose in a specific subject, those journals are very much important. So JSTOR is a database mostly useful for historical research. Why? Because this is the most important databases, and now the access has been given to us. Now, journal storage, doing a research. So any topic you may put here for finding out any article. Anyone can suggest me the topic. Till time I will say. Okay, I will try to find out the journals on a philosophy. Okay, so documents on a philosophy. The number of documents you are getting, you may browse by subject also. If you know the subject, you can go by subject also. So I will open here, open this by subjects. So you may go by subjects also. Here are some Asian studies, African American studies, arts, architecture, history, performing art, business economics. Okay, so all those. For example, on a business only, we can see on a for example on a business there are 210 journals in JSTOR. Okay, only business related, 210 journals only 210 on a specific topic journals. So you can go now in economics. Okay, now here you can find out some journals on economics. Okay, so journals on economics also you will find out. So what I will show you only, you can go here like this. I show you the path. I have showed you the path. For example, I have taken economics. I am taking a random journal. See, this is the journal randomly I have taken, and go here and download it. Okay, so you can go here is only the archives are there, but you may go for the historical research, any topic, you may go there. For example, if you're having a specific topic for research, go to JSTOR directly and find out the article. Good literature review you will receive. Okay, good literature review, good articles you will receive. Okay, so here are some journals, and you can directly download PDF. Accept and proceed to download. You may see, and you will get a PDF article, full text PDF, any one. So this is a huge data which is available, the huge number of articles are available, thousands and lakhs of articles are there on the JSTOR for the historical. For example, why has urban inequality increased? See, this is October 2018 article, and still so much articles you will get on this one. Okay, so you may go directly to this type of journals, and you will find all issues you may find out. See, 13, 10, okay, 16, 17, 18, okay, like that. Now 20s, here are latest you will get, okay, 2009, right? Now 18 till 18 they are there. Okay, no issue. It's applied economics. So this is very good opportunity to researcher to go to these types of database and find out the article which of their interest. Okay, so things which I have to show you here. I have I will maybe I stop with the gesto because I have to tell you so many things to you. So I am stopping with the gesto, but my friends, this gesto is very much important for historical research. So many researchers are using this. Okay, now can anybody suggest me any topic of subject so I can go through it and I will find out some good research articles. So the subjects which I know, which I have shown to you, but any topic, any subject. So directly it will help me to find out any keyword. Okay, any 1-2 keywords. Okay, please suggest. So I'm going to Oxford University Press. Here it is Oxford University Press. How to find out the journals on that, how to go, what is search strategy of this one, and how to download. Okay, so this is good things which now you may find out the Oxford Academics. It's a very quality journals you may find out there, and academically those journals we may find a very quality one. So social and social science I'm taking. Okay, if you want any subject, I'm appealing to the participants. Please suggest any topic or any in a chat box also you may give any okay, so someone has been given food and nutrition. Okay, good. So I'm taking that one. Okay, in a social science. Okay, now in a social science, you may see these types of journals you may find out. So regarding economics, economic studies, communication theories, communication culture, critics. Okay, now see, this is regarding the social science. They have been arranged alphabetically. So you may find out that with the title wise, you may find out. Once it is of your use, you may find out. Okay, so now regarding this, the topic may be varied. Okay, all journals you may find out here. Food and nutrition, we can find out whether I am getting something or not. We'll find out. Will not find if anything. So you can directly see now on a food and nutrition. Someone has been told me that my topic is a food and nutrition. Regarding the food and nutrition, what type of things shall I get in the research? So this is food quality and safety. You may find out these types of journals. This is the food quality and safety. Now directly you got in a social science, this one Oxford. Now like this only, so, someone Giri has been given, but you may find out the same topic of your interest directly on the search, like that. So this is a huge article. Food quality. The impact factor of the journal is 3.10102. A 5-year impact factor is a 4.80. It is overall impact factor. So this is a good quality research art. Now this is and you may find the latest one also. Now this is, you see the suggested topic to me just now. The articles you will get are good quality research article. You may go directly to it. You may download also. Okay, so these are, and this sign has been given to you. It is open access. Okay, so there it is open access one. So now you can go directly to that article. Okay, you can go directly to article and see now research advance in the regulation of a fruit quality characteristics by microRNAs, right? So this is I think this is a cell biology. regarding, I think, this RNA, DNA. So now PDF, we'll go to the PDF now. So you can easily download the PDF. The whole text you are getting at Food and Nutrition. The person who gave me this, thank you for that. You gave me the topic of your research, and so you may find your type of, and you now we find also the good quality journal, that is Food Quality and Safety. So Food and Nutrition, nice topic for research. Nowadays it's having so much value, right? So food quality. Now I was there with a journal like that. Also you may find directly some articles also. So directly you may go see, here we got this much of results. Now first 120 only are there, right? So what you can do, if you are having a research topic of specific statement with a specific statement, to take an automatic take that statement with you, and that statement directly you put it. Okay, some keywords of it. Now don't put it directly. Sometimes our statement, we know that which type of statements and titles we are having. So just put the, what I can say, just put the some keywords of it. Okay, so you will find out the very quality journals. Just now we had find out on a Food and Nutrition. So friends, please remember that this is the very much important aspect in the point of view of research. Okay, so I'm stopping it here now. Now we'll go ahead with the, I finished with the Oxford one. Now, yeah, there is a Yash W. Wilson, Royal Society of Chemistry, Yash W. Wilson. There are 3,000 plus titles, journal titles. Can you imagine 3,000 plus journal titles? Okay, Yash W. Wilson and Cambridge University Press. Directly, we are coming to our topic. Ma'am, can anybody tell me how much time I have to speak? Chaudhary ma'am. Hello. Is anyone there as a coordinator?
Yes, yes, sir.
Ma'am, how much time I have? How much time remains with me?
So yeah, you can continue for 15 to 20 minutes. No issues.
No issues, no? If there is no restriction of time, right? So I can take it.
Oh yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, okay.
It's
I can. So
and informative. Yeah, please continue, sir.
okay,
Please.
ma'am. Yeah.
Thank you.
So now I'm here with the IPSCO one. Okay, so I'll not taking a Cambridge tilted. So I'll take a IPSCO accept, and now I will go ahead again. Now here I have taken IPSCO. Which one is that? This one. Okay, H.W. Wilson. Just I'm waiting for opening. Okay, so same. Okay, now here is you may go Omni File Full Text Mega IPSCO ebook collection, search all database. Okay, so we'll go to search all databases. So anything which we are getting for our research, you can find out in the search all databases, right? Now here some ebooks collection, Omni File Teachers Reference Center. Okay, I will continue with this. Okay, we can go direct, or you can put your keyword directly on this one. So the nutrition, anybody have sent me any topic? Altimetrics. Okay, then someone has given altimetrics, and I'm taking those one which has been given in the chat box. Okay. Okay, now here I am putting, I will find out anything on altimetrics, whether it is available or not. You may find out in all type of journal. There is not such a thing. See, now altimetrics is the latest topic at scientometrics, webometrics, like altmetrics, right? And nowadays there is a very much huge importance to altimetrics in future. Now the whole research, analysis, and evaluation will be on altimetrics. So someone has been given to find out the altimetrics. So can I get it? So I just have been put it altimetrics. Okay. Okay, there. So keyword, they are finding out the keywords of it. You can see the database is finding with the keywords. Okay. So I will just take a full text only. I'm not taking a review one. So it, at the left hand side, you are having an option whether you want to limit to full text or not, you can take a full text, scholarly, image quick. Okay, now all those left hand side full text from 2012 to 2021. So you may find out here all these are the suggested topics. You can suggest me anything, so we can find out the journals on that and research articles. Now PDF full text, here you will get the PDF full text, right? Now I have just click here a PDF. If you want scholarly peer reviewed, okay, image quick view, like that you may find out. You may also scrutinize with the journals, or scrutinize I can say, or narrow down the search here. The academic journals, trade publications, magazines, you may more narrow down your research search or your search option, right? So these are the option has been given at the left hand side. You can narrow down your search and you can come to the very specific one which are required to you. Okay, if you want only a academic journal, you just click only your academic journal, Altmetrics only from academic journal. Okay, so now I am getting some articles on academic, good articles on academic journal. It has been reduced to 69 only. Okay, now I got the good quality articles on Altmetrics. Okay, on this one. Okay, so visibility of Iranian Allied Department ResearchGate. Okay, so whatever the articles are there for your purpose, you may find out. Now, do citation make impact on social media and ultimately connects on top cited articles, University of Madras. There are research has been published in Digital Commons and all. Okay, so 17. So you may find out here the article you may download directly. You may open it. Okay, so you may save your article on your computer in a PDF format. Okay, so this is very much useful for your research purpose. Huge database is there. So simple search articles we have been taken right now. This is the one thing which I have to show you in this EBSCO. But now what is another aspect of this database is that this is nothing. This is the database having only a single search. Okay, you may narrow down with the journals later. So they are giving the source type, academic journal. Again, they are showing the subject. So you may find out with the bibliometrics, altmetrics, social media, serial publication, citation. You may go narrow it down. So you want by publications, journals has been given. I want only from a library journal. I want only from a bulletin of Association for Information Science. I want only from an online searcher. Okay, so you can narrow down your search with search with the journals. So it is very much easy to find out your research article and narrow it down to a specific one. So you may go with this one, and it's having a single search window like a Google. Then you can narrow down your search. Very much important aspect of a research. Now I will go ahead. Now I'm not stopping with the EBSCO, that is SW Wilson, 3,000 titles journal. So this you can find out the huge data. But for our research, how much we want? No more, 100 and 200 to 50, like more than 300, 400 research article. Okay, so good quality research article you may find out on the list only. Okay, of your research of any subject. Okay, so this is enough for the research purpose. Now Cambridge University Press. Now, how to search a data or how to search articles on the Cambridge University Press. Okay, so this is also a single window. You can go by browse by subject. You may download it full text. Okay, so I'll show you. For example, any subject, please suggest me again. Okay, so psychology, I'll take a psychology. Okay, or philosophy, nutrition. Here is a nutrition. Someone shows, please find out on a nutrition. So the subject, so I'm taking a suggested one. Okay, you can go with any topic. I'm not I can say I'm not restricting to this specific one. You may say geography, general science, language, linguistic, any language person is there, any psychology, drama, theater, earth, environment, you can find out the journals and that one. So the suggested one that what was the nutrition, so I'm taking nutrition. Okay. So explore nutrition journal. See these types of journals on a nutrition side. Okay. How much? This huge one. Okay. So which one is this? It is the subject, and they have given on the nutrition. See, that's the person who is doing on the nutrition, the research on the nutrition, he can go or she can go directly on the journal. Nutrition books are there. There are some good books on nutrition, nutritional. We can. I'll try to go here and find out the whether it is downloadable or not. Sometimes it is not. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. So get access, we can say. Okay, I'll try my best to find out. There are some review also. Okay, see here you may find out cited by 5. Okay, getting a citations also now. Okay, so how this citation they are under, they know, comes to know that my books has been cited. The whatever bibliography which we give, it's already it's appear while analysis. Okay, so aspects of phytoplacental nutrition. Okay, get access. So this is for the review purpose they have been given. Okay, this is for the review purpose. But see, my friends, these are also some review of your topics has been given. You may find out from anywhere this this one. Okay, so I'll wish this is the nutrition. Okay, just a minute. Now we'll take this one, evolving human nutrition, whether it is or not. I think they have been given for the nutrition review purposes, not been given in these databases. But see, you may find out the area of your topic here, and here you can PDF also. You can take a PDF zip. Okay, and here also option they have been given. They are just not been given, but you can also download this one once it gets access of it. Okay, so now I'm cutting it down with this one. Now, what is the advantage of it? If you want to go further research, and if you are narrowing down your research or finding anything, so directly we can go to this. Okay, now Journal of Dairy Research. Okay, nutrition research review. Those types of journals also there in a Cambridge. Okay, so by subjects, how I entered in this one by subjects. Okay, so of your interest. For example, you can directly go to this search option. So they are giving a search here, and you directly go to this search option. So for example, Ultimatrix I'm finding out here. Whatever I am getting, what is there? So the good book print publication, a practical guide for librarians, research and academics. Whether it is open access or not, I don't know. Get access. No, it is not available. But still, for our purpose, see, the librarians always need a titles. Okay, so it's their publication, but they have not made it available for us. They are not subscribed on by internet. Okay, so now nutrition research review access. Here they have shown it having access of fast subscription, content open access also. Okay, so here it is having access. This journal of nutrition having access. We'll try to find out any other one also, whether it is there or not. Can we download it or not? I am finding out. Okay. Sometimes what happens, the servers also having some issues. They are not because I had been downloaded it, but still we'll find out. But the server also having some problem with it, and it may cause difficulties sometimes while giving the proxy access. But still, no problem. You can find out the articles on this database also, and it is also giving a good research journals to you. Right now, we'll go directly to now we had with Cambridge University. Now we'll go to the ebooks. Okay, now friends, these ebooks are very much important. See now how much books are there in our library and this online library. Just user ID and password, you can access these all books from your home. Okay, why Enlist and given access from your home, from your desktop. You can get access of all these ebooks. Okay, so see here, at the right hand side, Cambridge Books Online having 1800 titles, eBrary having a 1,85,000 plus titles. It's EBSCO having 933 titles. Title means a single book. And imagine how much books we have. The 382, 1,400, Oxford Scholarship published. All these are the publisher. Okay. Hindustan Book Agency, 65 titles. Springer ebook, 2,300 titles. Sage Publication, 1,000 titles. Taylor Francis, 1,800 titles. McGraw-Hill. So you can go ahead. Now you know the NDL. Now National Digital Library. I'm going to show it tomorrow to this NDL. So not now, but on the Enlist, Cambridge Books Online will open. Okay, and we will try to find out whether it is downloading or not. We can go to eBrary also, but first we will see the Cambridge, what Cambridge is saying. Okay. I am searching on a child psychology. Okay, so I'm getting see this. Okay, so I'm taking this one. See, here they have been given, Cambridge have been given option only show the content I have access. Earlier also I had not clicked on that earlier one, that was in Cambridge University. Only show open access. Okay, while clicking on this, they are not showing you the published one or unsubscribed one. Okay, they will show you only the subscribed, whatever I have subscribed. Okay, so now this has been subscribed one. So child psychology, I will get this type of research. Someone is doing a research in a child psychology, for example. So they are getting a huge database here. Okay, now how to open this one? See here directly they have given this PDF one. Now I will go psychology and psychiatry. I'll open in a different this one. What is this? This is a whole book with you. Okay, I'll check published by Online Cambridge Press, 14 November 2008. You can save it as a PDF. Okay, you can save it as a PDF, save as a 0.13 MB. So whole. So just a minute, whether they have been given to other accesses, references. Okay, not given. Okay, so this much, just a minute. I think there is some problem with the Cambridge. Earlier it was also there, but still no issue. Okay, now you can find out the PDF also from here directly. Okay, so these are the articles. Okay, the articles are opening on a specific topic. You may go, if it is there with a problem, directly through the resources, you may go directly by searching your topic. Okay, anyone ask the question, wants to ask the question? Okay, now what we'll do, we'll go to the next. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, now we are here with this one. So you may directly go to the PDF, whatever the number of articles, or see here you can, at the left hand side you may find out the published, whoever has been published. So number of research articles you may find out, you may download in a PDF format. Okay, so so this one I'm stopping here. Okay, now I will go to the eBrary. Okay, Cambridge we have finished. now we go to the library. Okay, so library will open. So what is there in the library? Actually, the data which we are getting, it's 936 title of a different subjects. Okay, 900. And see, now you may go there and you can search a book directly, but we can find out the bookshelves also. You can go by bookshelves, whatever you have been seen there, so you can find out, and you can go to the recently viewed one. Okay, so recently I had viewed someone, but plus then we for example, here is one good book at C++ data structure and algorithm. Okay, so this is the one computer science books which is available here. Now what is this? Actually, can you download this whole book? So this is a C++. Someone is doing a computer science. Okay, there are so many engineering students also doing a computer science, so they are having C++ data structure. Okay, so you may go with the download one. Okay, so you can we download it? Yes, we can download it. Whole books you can download a book, or you can go chapter wise here. For example, copyright and credits or title page, or you may go the chapter 1, chapter 2, constructing stacks and queues. So you may open it in a new tab or download PDF directly. Okay, so it is saying that download, and it has been downloaded. Okay, so at the left hand side you may see here it is downloading, the whole chapter is downloading, and you may see here the 24 page chapter number 3 of 24 page of this book has been downloaded. If someone is doing the computer science, he can easily take this one. Okay, so now you may take anyone. For example, someone is doing the research on a cost of capital, commerce, or activity based costing, advanced organic chemistry, anything, or someone is doing agricultural economics, he can put his own subject and can download the books. Here are some chapter. Here you can directly say download PDF, and you may download the whole chapter of this book. Okay, so whole set of books remains with you only. Okay, we have finished the second one. We'll take a Hindustan Book Agency. Okay, what Hindustan Book Agency is talking about? The Hindustan Book Agency giving some access to its 65 titles. Okay, it may be useful for us. Now this is a collection of our library. Okay, so you can put a term, you can put any term. For example, whether it is available on Ultimatrix or not, I think it may not be, because it's a very short library, but still we'll find out. Okay, you can find out anyone. So Hindustan Book Agency have given 265 titles to it. Now we'll take Institute of South Asian Studies. Okay, here also I'm just going to show you the titles now. It's all the databases are fully downloadable. The books which you will get, which are very useful, it may useful for your research also. Okay. Okay, that it has not been given. Now, I will find out of Institute of. My server has become little bit we'll go to scholarship, Oxford Scholarship Journal. I'll stop with here. I'll show you the Oxford Scholarship. My server is a little bit getting down, but still I'm trying my best. Okay, so Oxford Scholarship online. These are the databases which you can find out. This is the good database of good collection of the books you will find out. You may download the books from here also, right? So can we take any book from here? I just clicked it, but still I'm trying.
नोटीस पटकन झाला आणि सुट्टी आहे हा नोटीस दिवे लावून येते.
Mark Twain, preacher, prophet, and social philosopher. Okay, this is the one book that has been given. again they have taken it up. You may find out the books just give me a minute only. Okay, now here also you can find out the books, good types of books here will get to search, but you have to have a good try to find out whether my area of subject is there, or anyone having an interest, go to their catalog, or you can find out the content also. Okay, so it had, okay, no issue. You can go browse by subjects. Left hand side there is option that is browse by subject, but I had to find out, not getting. But see, now what I will do, I'll suggest you that go to browse by subjects, or you can put your topic, area of topic here, your area of search. Right now what we'll do, we'll go browse by subject and find out the, for example, I'll go to the environmental science, literature, mathematics, any one topic please suggest me, or I'll go to the history. For example, we'll see the history. Okay, or we can go to material science, no problem. Browse history, whether we are getting it or not, just go through it. Okay, now unlock, free, open access. Okay, submit. You can submit. What is the search strategy here to search? Just go to the left hand side of it and try to find out whether it is available to us, whether it is not available to us. Okay, so good books you are getting here of all these subjects. Okay, so go browse by subject here. All right, now what to do? Now here, see, now you may say the Renaissance book after redemption. So good books you are getting, and for freely download, and all those access are there. So here is a green access, green block, full text access. Okay, whether it is full text or not, we'll see. Okay, after redemption, it's taking a little bit time to download it, but good, we are getting a good quality journal, good quality books to read out. Someone is doing, I had taken a history, someone is doing a research in a history, someone is doing a research in any other topic regarding this, biology, business management, chemistry, classic studies, social work, sociology. So they can find out their interest of the books here. Okay, they can find out their interest of the book here. Okay, so I'm going there directly. I'm trying. I think there may have happened some issue to the server. This is getting a little bit slow. Here is right hand side. You may see the view PDF. Okay, the whole chapter you can download it in a PDF, and you can see in a PDF form. Okay, so you are getting the good quality research material from here. If someone not only we have to give a journal article for our research, we have to show some books for a research also. Okay, so this is the best option which we are getting. Now you can save or print the PDF by confirming you agree to the intellectual property rights in our privacy policy and legal notice. Okay, we'll proceed it. Whether we are getting it or not, just check. So I just shown you, and I know that it is completely downloading. Now this is also, see, this also, see, now downloaded. Okay, so you may find out you may download the whole chapters. Now I have downloaded a chapter of this book after redemption. Now the historical researcher, see, whole chapter of 51 pages has been downloaded. You can take directly any material from there and you can use it for your reference purposes. Okay, so now my friends, this is a very much important for any aspect. I'm not talking about the history only. I'm talking about all the subject which has been given. For example, economics and finance. The good books are you will get from for the economics and finance, and you may also can download it easily. So to browse in economics and finance. Okay. Server is taking a little bit time, but not an issue to me. But our time, we are lacking with the time, so it must be fast. Today is a holiday for our university, so I'm giving it from home. Okay, so my college is closed today, so the server college having a good quality server and that internet speed. Now I'm working from a mobile, so it may cause a problem. Please excuse me for that. And see here, aging, health, and productivity of economics. So what I find 149 books on economics only. Okay, so what I had just taken 149 books from economics, and I can check or I can open it anytime. Just what I clicked, I unlock free and open access, not restricted because I have to download it. Okay, what I have taken: aging, health, and productivity, economics, and increase life expectancy. This book I have taken to open, to choose, to research, and for reading purpose I had been taken. So that what I will do now, I will just go to this book and I'll show you how to browse. Then we'll stop with this Oxford. Then we'll go slow by slow. Now, my friends, all those resources which has been given to you here at down, all those are fully downloadable, as well as you can download in a PDF format. So now I have taken, for example, I have taken this the economics increased life expectancy. Now this is the whole books which I have got, and all those are the chapters there. Okay, I will try to find out a specific chapter which I want for my reference. Can I take it? So now you may go slowly. Impact of health on productivity. For example, this is the one chapter which I had taken. एक मैंने chapter लिया हुआ है, and that chapter I can download it, fully download it. Okay, so you can go directly to this and you can download. Just I had shown you, you can download it in a PDF form also. Okay, so now you can go here and see here is a PDF, the impact of health on productivity. You can view a PDF and directly you can download it in a PDF form. You can download it. For example, any book, the whole book is not useful for you. Whole book may not be useful for your research. Whole book may not be useful for your work, but there may be some part of it. One chapter may be useful for you. So you may download it for your purpose, for your PC, in your PC or your research file. You can take all these things. Okay. So due to server problem, it's not just now it's failed to download, but no problem. It is a fully downloadable. It has been tested it right now. We'll reload it. We can take again any other one. Okay, you can see, find out here. Okay, it is taking time little bit. Okay, it has been downloaded now. Okay, the chapter 5. So this is the process of accessing the ebooks. Now, my friends, see now 34 pages chapter, we got it. Now, one thing I have to show you here. One thing I have to show you here that preferences. Okay, okay. This chapter which we had downloaded. Okay, so preferences toward the healthcare is a health luxury good. Okay, so all these types of books you may easily download to your PC for your research. Okay, now see this Enlist. This was the awareness program regarding the Enlist database. Now you may find out that these all those resources you go try at your level, take user ID password from your librarian and go to this database, go directly to resources, and as well as try to find out the area of your subject, find out the journal of your subject, topic of your research, go all the repositories which has been given to you. Excuse me, please mute your Kishore. Okay, so that you can find out these very fantastic books for your research purpose. Okay, now this is giving, now my friends, all those resources like Asia, South Asia Archive, My Library, McGraw-Hill, Taylor Francis ebooks, all those are full text downloadable. You may find out your search from this one, as well as you can find out the very fantastic literature for your research. My friends, again, I am meeting tomorrow for this same thesis, same topic, same platform, but my topic is different tomorrow. That is open access resources. There are some open access resources where we can publish, access the journal, and can use it for our research purposes. Okay. So for time being, I am stopped here for the Enlist access. Anyone having any issue, any question, they may ask to me. The session is open for discussion now. Okay, I have finished my session today. So anyone wants to ask the question, they may ask the question.
If any student is having any question, write in the chat box. I will unmute that student. Any question from the participant side?
Is there anyone from coordinator? Hello, ma'am. Saudari, ma'am. I have been finished for today. Anyone wants to ask the question, they may ask the question.
So I'm seeing no question in the chat box. Let's wait for a minute. So there is no question.
Okay.
Let's conclude the program. Unlist, which is an initiative of MHRD, is a database of e-books and e-journals. So as explained in a very wonderful way.
Ma'am, your voice is very low. Yes.
Unlist, which is an initiative of MHRD, is a database of e-books and e-journals. Sir has explained in a very wonderful way how to browse Unlist database. He told about EBSCO, how to utilize these resources, and how to browse archives. On behalf of organizing committee, I express my sincere gratitude to Yogesh Mate sir for accepting our invitation and joining us. Today, as it was the first day, some technical issues arose and some students could not join. We will send the recorded video on the group, and all students are requested to listen carefully as there will be a test on the last day. As sir has taught you how to use Unlist, and our college is also subscriber of Unlist, I hope that students will come to the library for password. And if you approach us, we will open your account and you can browse those resources. Our Honorable VC sir was to join us, but he could not join us due to some meeting, but he has sent his best wishes to our program. Thank you to him and thank you to Yogesh Bhate sir. And I declare that today's program is concluded. We will meet again tomorrow at 11 a.m. Thank you, sir.
Can we leave meeting or we have to continue it? Anything?
Sir, there is no question, so I'm
Hello?
ending from this side.
Yes, please.